What's up, IMers? Today I'm going to show you how you can make 30 to 60 bucks a day selling printable mazes online without a list, without having to launch anything, and or using paid traffic. On top of that, if you watch the video until the very end, I'm going to show you how you can create these mazes instantly, okay? But before that, I want to go over the pros. It's simple to do and there's little competition. Also, there are many keywords. This is a rich keyword, diverse type of niche or market, okay? But the cons are, you have to depend on a little SEO and there's the initial setup, okay? Now let's get to it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Check this. I'm on Amazon right now and I have here Maze Books for Kids. As you can see in the search bar, it has about over 300 searches a month. I know it's not a lot. You don't need a tsunami of traffic to profit online, especially on sites like Amazon or Etsy, because this is a buyer search engine, right? People who are on Amazon or Etsy, for example, when they're searching, they're looking to buy something basically, right? These are shops, okay? It's not like Google where they might be looking to buy something, or they're looking to get informed or entertained. This is very, very, very straightforward, right? People on Amazon and Etsy or eBay, for example, they're looking to buy. Now, if I scroll down here, you can see there are already these maze books that people are selling, okay? These types of mazes, okay? Now, creating these types of covers is super simple. You can do it on Canva very quickly, very easily. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that real quick. So like I said, you can quickly create nice little covers for your maze puzzle books quickly and easily. Use Canva, very simple. Just get in there, pick the Pinterest template, because the Pinterest template makes a nice little cover, the size and everything. Just use any of these background templates. I'm gonna use this one right here. Dump that in there like that, and then dress it up with some images that they offer for you for free. They offer to you for free. I'm gonna use these kids right here and put them in my little cover book. Nothing too difficult here. Everything straightforward. Drag and drop. Again, Canva makes turns us all into designers, graphic designers, because it's super easy to use. Let's put in the word maze here. Let's use this one here. Let's change the color a little bit. Let's make it black there, and let's see, let's make it into a purple, like that. And let's use, of course, get some text going here. Put this add a headline thing, it drops right there. And what I always like to do, I always make sure when I create a printable that it's a bundle. Never just make a one-off, unless you're using it as a marketing ploy to have your traffic compare. But if you're doing it on Amazon, you can't do that. If you're doing it on your own site, you can definitely do that. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. So 23 kid simple. Let your imagination dictate how you want your cover photo to look. This is done. I just did this in a couple of seconds. Copy that, download it, and attach it to your PDFs for your printable mazes. Now let's go about and helping you find where you can get such mazes. This is how you get your mazes done. Okay, you can either get PLR mazes. Just go to sites like Fiverr, or go just to Google itself and look for PLR mazes and get these PDFs. The problem with this is you have to actually download the PDFs, and then using a screen capture piece of software, which is free. You can use, for example, I use this one right here, this screen capture little tool. Where are you? Snippet, I believe it's called Snipping Tool. It's a free little tool. Then you gotta, copy the images and then put them on Canva and create the mazes that way. Another very simple way, an instant automatic way, is to use Simple Maze Craze. I'll have a link to it down below. It's a maze generating piece of software. Okay, generates mazes that you can put on anything. You can put on mugs, you can of course put on your printables, whatever you want. And it's cool because it puts them in PNG files, images that you can just stick on Canva and put any type of background behind it, which is really cool. Let me show you. Let me generate a maze right now. I can set it to easy, medium, or hard. I can scale this up to as much as I want. And the cool thing is I own 100% rights to anything I create here. So let's say I have it up to, let's make an easy one first to show you what it looks like. I can pick the color. Let's keep it nice and black and click generate maze. Boom, very simple maze. I can rank this up to medium. Let's change the color to pink, why not? And generate maze. I gotta reset that. Medium, generate maze. It's gonna take a little longer because it's a more complex maze. Boom, right there. Let's go to very hard. Let's click reset. I can download these anytime I want. Click the download button there. Let's click this to change the color to blue. Why not? Click OK. Generate maze. And any second now, boom, there you go. A maze, perfect, at a very difficult level. Okay, so you can create all types of mazes depending on the difficult level you want to create. Okay, you can then download these and put them on to your Canva themes. Now the cool thing about themes are there's a rich keyword diversity there that you can take advantage of. Now if you want more information on how to get the Simple Maze Crazy software, I don't like the name, check out the link below and you can get information on that. This is a great piece of software. Instead of going out and buying PLR mazes that everyone has access to, you can create your own specific unique mazes right here and stick them onto your Canva themes. Hope you like this video. Let me know what you think down below and I'll be happy to help. Okay, be good, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.